stop scrolling. This one secret ingredient makes semolina sweet pudding or halwa taste like heaven. Watch carefully because most people miss this golden step. First, roast half cup semolina or suji on medium flame till it turns golden and aromatic. Can you smell that? Now the magic begins. Melt half cup sugar in 3 cups water. Then add quarter cup crushed cardamom. This is where miracles happen. Let's heat half a cup pure clarified butter or ghee. Fry 15 cashews and 15 almonds till they're golden perfection. Add raisins now. Pro tip, don't overcook them or they'll lose their magic. Roast that semolina or suji in clarified butter or ghee again. Listen to that sizzle. Pour the sugar syrup slowly. Watch the transformation. Feel that aroma, that steam. Now add kasar infused milk. This is the royal touch nobody tells you. Toss in those dry fruits. Save some for garnish. Cover with lid. Patience is the final ingredient. Let it rest, then serve hot with love. Double tap if you're making this tonight. Follow for more divine recipes. Share this with someone who loves semolina, sweet pudding or halwa.